getting in this pit blind. We got 16 foot. They come in, they dig these things out with excavators. There's a lot of work involved in these. They set them down. We're level with the ground. No layout blinds, no humps in the field. We're still on an edge, but you know, we're completely invisible. It should work out pretty good.
This should be a great hunt today. These bit blinds make it really easy to get the birds in tight, easy to hide a lot of people.
Tradition, camaraderie, passion. This is what drives us. We are the Birdmen.